Okay, someday you might be the one that has to go around and install things on people's computers. That's a very common thing to do, especially in a beginning job. And so we're going to take a look at delivery facts. In other words, how can we get the information, the applications to the computer? So there's local installs, which everybody has done their own. You download something and you install it on the computer. Then there's network hosting. So what that does is it allows users to save their documents and files to the local network. Very common to have everything set up on the PC, like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Adobe Photoshop, Google Chrome, all these applications set up on the PC, and then the data is actually getting drawn from someplace else, not locally. And then that way the data is all backed up and we don't have to worry about losing it. Also, network installations, that's another portion of this, is that you can actually have these files on the network and then install it down to the user system. And then, of course, there's cloud hosting, which is becoming bigger and bigger. And we use OneDrive, and it's fantastic because I'll save my files to my local OneDrive folder. That'll automatically sync it out to the cloud hosting in OneDrive. And then I can go onto another computer and get that immediately. And that's basically allowing a ton of flexibility from a user standpoint of being able to work wherever they need to on whatever files they need to. And then there's software as a service, or software as a service, SaaS. And that provides the opportunity that basically you're connecting into the cloud. And then when you click on an icon, it's actually running that software as a service in the cloud. A close example would be using Google Docs or using Microsoft 365, where you can go out to Microsoft and just run Word out of a web browser. And so what is it really doing? Well, it's running software as a service off of their site, and you're typing the stuff in just like it's running, everything's running locally on your computer, which only a portion of it is. Not too long of a video, but that is the different ways that we deal with getting applications that people are using. One is to locally install it. Another is to run it off the network, save files to a network as well. And another one is saving files to the cloud and actually running applications off the cloud.